Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be 2023 favorites. As year is coming to end, I have few incredible products for you guys. Not just products, but there are so many things in this. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys 23 products that I absolutely loved in 2023. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, these are the products I really swear by. They were literally the best thing to me in 2023. I have used these products like anything. These are my go-to products, and that's why I thought of sharing it with you guys, that what products really worked out for me in 2023. So year is coming to end. I have used this product the whole year, and now I think these are the few products that I really think will be also great for you guys, and you guys also should give it a shot. So the very first category is toiletries. So guys, I have just one product in toiletry category, which is this Nykaa's Toilet Safe Sanitizing Spray. This worked so nice for me whenever I traveled. Local washrooms in Mumbai or in general sucks. बहुत ज़्यादा stinky रहते हैं, गंदे. So this is a very hygienic spray. It's from Nykaa. You can just go to the loo, spray it all over, and then you can use it. So with this, it will sanitize that area and you won't get infected or something. So this is a very good handy thing. Whenever you are going to travel, you must have this thing. So the next product is very helpful for my girls out there. It is Nuva's Cramp Comfort Healing Patch. It gives so much relief. It comes in a pack like this, and what you have to do is just stick it on your underwear inside, so that वो heat होगा and it stays up to 4 to 6 hours easily, and वो generate होता है heat, and it's not कि वो चटका लगेगा, but it gives you such comfort. So if you are traveling या आप work पे जा रहे हो and you can't carry heating bag with you, I think this is a great thing. Next is something in the skincare category. So I have this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Y'all have seen me hype this product like anything. I absolutely love this product for oily skin. This is like a gem. This is like gel based and इतना अच्छा उसका texture है. See, it is very lightweight gel like thing. And मतलब 1 second में in your count of 10 ये absorb भी हो जाएगा. It's not at all oily. They also have a natural to dry skin variant as well, but for oily skin this is really good. It's hydrating also, and it is non-sticky, non-greasy, and it's the best product. Next product is a sunscreen. Sunscreen is the most important thing, and I think choosing the right sunscreen is very important, because few sunscreen doesn't work, few sunscreen makes you very sticky, greasy, and I don't know, I am very picky with my sunscreen. This is the Photostable Gold Matte Finish Sunscreen SPF 55. So it is water and sweat resistant, and it is dermatologically tested. This was suggested to me by my dermat. He saw my skin and I was having a lot of breakout I think 2 years back, and then he said that the skincare products I'm using are not working for my skin, so he suggested this sunscreen to me. It is little expensive, I think कुछ 700 या 800 का है, but it's really good. वो बहुत thick है, but when you apply, it gives you that matte look, and it like the makeup also on this works magically. So this is a very good sunscreen. The next product is hair oil. I don't generally use hair oil. I'm very lazy at oiling my hair. This time I started to oil my hair because my hair fall was to another level, and I literally thought कि 4-5 महीनों में मुझे wig की ज़रूरत पड़ जाएगी. Then one of my friends suggested me this oil, and I feel like South Indian people are very good with maintaining their volume of the hair and texture and everything. So she suggested rosemary oil and peppermint oil. So these are the oils I use it with coconut oil. Any oil you can mix 2 drops of this and पूरा mix करके you can apply it over your hair. It is for dandruff also and it is for your hair growth as well. Next skincare product is pimple patch. I know these days pimple patch are quite a common thing, but Urban Yoke का ये pimple patch जो है, it's really nice. You just apply it overnight and सुबह your pimple will be गायब, like पूरा ऐसा पिचक गया रहेगा. Whenever you feel there is a bump on your skin या ऐसे, ये लगा दो overnight on a clean face and सुबह आप देखोगे वो पिंपल का सारा जो गंग क्या वो पस है वो सारा वो स्टिकर के अंदर आ गया रहेगा पैच के अंदर. And it's really good. It also comes in this 2 sizes. देख सकते हो, I have used काफी इसमें से. Even my mom uses. So ये ऐसे बड़े वाले pimples के लिए and these are for the small pimples. So these work really well for me. So next let's dive on to fashion. For fashion I have a couple of things in mind that would be very helpful. So the first thing is this Kemi. If you haven't found this yet, God, this is the most amazing thing I found out this year. I think last year. These are the Kemis. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो in the photo. You get 3 colors, black, cream and then white color in this. And these comes in like this box type thing. So इतना छोटा सा वो patch जैसा आता है with 2 clips at this side. And what you have to do is just put it over here and brass tabs के साथ उसको ऐसे stick कर देना है. And it is so good if you wear deep neck tops या कुछ भी, तो पूरा वो कैमी पहनने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट दिस मच पैच विल वर्क आउट बेस्ट फॉर यू. एंड द ग्रेट थिंग इट कम्स इन 3 कलर्स. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज, इफ यू हैव सीन इन रील्स, ये चीज काफी ज्यादा वायरल हो गई है, दो स्मॉल क्लिप्स जो जीन्स को टाइट करने के लिए है. आई डोंट हैव इट राइट नाउ विथ मी. मेरा एक गुम गया है. आई हैव टू ऑर्डर इट राइट अवे बिकॉज दैट इज सो गुड. ज्यादा नहीं बट मेरा थोड़ा 5-6 kgs कम हुआ था ये साल में. So my pants are very loose and वो बार बार alter नहीं हो पा रहा because फिर वो उसका shape lose कर रहा है. So I found out this on Amazon. It comes normal also. I'll insert the picture and it comes in a teddy bear shape as well. So if you want to add a cute element, you can go for this teddy bear option. Or if you want a normal for your day to day trousers, say office wear या कुछ भी, तो these buttons, the basic ones, are really good. You just have to pin it on the sides जितना आपको टाइट करना है, लूज हो रहा है एरिया, and you just have to clip it together and it is so good. It gives you that fit without altering. So that is the best thing. The next thing I want to say I absolutely love this year is a fashion piece, which are cargos. I absolutely loved cargos and the wide leg trouser. I think that worked amazingly for my particularly body shape. I think y'all can also try if that works out for your body shape or something which works out for your body shape. I think trousers and cargo pants look really flattering on my body type and I really like how it falls. It is stylish also. Cargos have a couple of like 5-6 pockets. Trousers are also straight. You can style it in so many multiple ways. So I think like cargos were my fashion favorite of this year, you can say. अब fashion पे आए हैं तो साथ में beauty category भी cover कर ही लेते हैं. So in the beauty category first thing I have in beauty category is these rollers. These are the hair rollers for curling or say a natural blow dry. These works really well. I had used this a couple of times and the bounce and the waves it gives is very good. Heatless curls are like rocking these years. I just don't want to use those heated tools and damage my hair. Keep it for a couple of hours or overnight and in the morning it gives you such like blow dried hair. The fall it gives you is very beautiful. So next thing in the makeup category is this beauty blender. This is so good for setting your under eye and stuff. It also is very good for your base. Always keep this with me in bag. Just thoda sweat bhi rahega. I take my loose powder and I just press it in and it just sets like anything. This is so good and it's really affordable. I think 100 to 150 rupees pack of two. So I think beauty blender and this can be a really good combo for applying your loose powder. This is a very good product. Next is this eyeshadow palette by NK Makeup. It is there in the shade Mocha Mix. I am very embarrassed to show, but this is how the packaging is become now. I have used this like anything. I have this thing since 2 years or more and I have been using it throughout. You can see अभी भी इतना use करने के बाद ये खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. And these shades are absolutely amazing. You have like a base color, then a dark smoky eye color, then you have this white color, you have sparkles, so you have shimmer, you have a lot of things to play with. And I feel like this palette is a go-to palette for like everyday or party wear looks also. I love doing smoky eyes, so whenever I go for party, the color, the wine color in this, and it just really helps. For wedding, I have shimmers. For day to day wear, I just use like this brownie color just to add color on my eyes. So this palette is working heaven for me. It is just for ₹500. I mean, what can you ask more? And the pigment is also amazing. So this palette is like most amazing palette I have found out on a very affordable price. I think they have a couple of more color palette options also, like birthday blush and all of that, जिसमें सिर्फ पिंक्स है, जिसमें सिर्फ ब्लू है, जिसमें सिर्फ रेड है, apple poison I think. So there are a couple of variants, but I love this Mocha Mix, which is the nude palette. So if you are someone who likes poppy colors, they also have a variant in that. Next is this product. It's so cute, right? So tiny. It's from Swiss Beauty. It's their eyebrow styling gel. It is a transparent gel. So it is a transparent gel. You just have to spray a setting spray or something in it, and then it activates. You have to use a brush and then just comb it, and it gives you such finished look. I don't like filling a lot of my eyebrows and making it quite bold. So I think for a clean girl look, this is a very good product. Is this lipstick. This is the nude lipstick from Maybelline and it's in the shade Nude Nuance. This lipstick, it's the best shade ever. It's a matte lipstick and it's so good. It's for 300 or 350 rupees I think, and this shade on Indian skin tone is everything. Like my skin tone or even little fair or darker than me, this shade will work amazingly on you. It's a very good brown nude shade and the way it looks on the Indian skin tone is amazing. I absolutely love this lipstick. आई थिंक ये पूरे साल मैंने 80% सिर्फ यही लिपस्टिक वेयर आउट किया है एंड दिस इज अ ब्रांड न्यू. आई जस्ट कॉल फॉर इट एंड आज सुबह आया तो आई एम लाइक this product I must include in this video. Next is this gajra. So it comes in like this rubber band scrunchie जैसे and you just have to tie a juda and उसके अंदर आपको सिर्फ ऐसे उसे डाल देना है and इसके लिए आपको गजरा लेने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. इट कम्स इन अ पैक ऑफ 2 जो मैंने लिया था एंड ये वेडिंग सीजन के लिए की है. मतलब आपको गजरे लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट एक बन बनाओ, मेसी हो या कुछ भी एंड जस्ट पुट इट बन. इट लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. पता ही नहीं चलता कि ये फेक है एंड प्लस यू कैन यूज दिस सो मेनी टाइम्स इन द वेडिंग सीजन. सो फॉर दिस वेडिंग सीजन आई थॉट दिस वॉज द थिंग विच रॉक्ड. Next are these stick-on nails from Amazon. These are color blue and इसके साथ you can see golden shimmer वाले भी nails है. It comes with a sticker जो वो peel वाला रहता है. It comes with that and I think I really like this. This color really looks good on me. I love this blue color. It also comes in many different color. If you want rhinestone वाला वो भी आता है. तो I think these kind of stick-on nails are the best thing. I really am not a girl who will go to a salon and do like acrylics and stuff because I honestly can't maintain. And if you have to go for a wedding season, I think these reusable ones are really good. You have to just stick it on It stays for like 3-4 days, so it's really good. जैसे ही वेडिंग सीजन खत्म होता है निकाल दो तुरंत, या निकल भी अगर जाता है तो you can stick it on again. So these are really handy and affordable. So next comes the most exciting part, and I absolutely love this category. It is the category fragrances, and you guys know how addicted I am to perfumes and mist. I absolutely love fragrances, and the first one is from Bath and Body Works, Into the Night. It's a fragrance mist, and this one right here, this is amazing. The way it smells is so seductive and sexy. I feel like it is such a beautiful fragrance. The notes are raspberry, amber, velvet, rose, musk. So it is really like very nice. I can't explain how good it is. So this fragrance is not floral at all. If you are who likes little florally, this one is not for you. I think men and women both can use this. It is a very strong and good smell. I love more strong than floral or vanilla. So I think this one is my most favorite. Next, on a little affordable side, I have this one from Miniso. It's that Honey Jasmine Wonderland EDT. So this is the bottle. It says Wonderland, and I really loved this. My mom gifted me this in mystery box, and this is such a pretty fragrance. I think for summers this is very like fresh smell, and if you are someone who is looking for a good fragrance on an affordable size, I think this one is amazing. अब affordable की बात हो गई, average Bath and Body Works की बात हो गई, I wanted to include this year's my most favorite luxury perfume, which is ta-da! Good Girl. This perfume is everything. The packaging, first of all, like just take a minute. This is so adorable. I think last to last year I had a wish that I want to buy Good Girl perfume, Carolina Herrera's, and this time I had to. So this is my perfume of this year. The packaging is amazing. It just gives you that boss vibe. I don't know, sparkle and everything just makes me happy whenever I use it. So this perfume is like go to. If you haven't, just go to the nearest store, just smell it. Just smell it if you don't want to buy. It is so fresh and so good. I'm in love with this perfume. In the accessories category, I have this one product only. This you must have seen in my Meesho haul. This earring set, oh my god, I instantly started using it. You can see one is already missing from here. I have started using it. It works out with most of my outfit, and I think this Jewels Galaxy has a really good collection of jewelry, and it doesn't tarnish also very well. I previously had also bought couple of jewelry. It works really well for the price point. I think 2 साल 1 साल जो stay करती है jewelry अच्छे से, I think it's not that bad also. So guys, last but not the least is the tech category. I'm not a very tech savvy person, but I do have 2-3 tech related things that I absolutely love. The first thing is my absolute love of this year, my vlogging camera. Oh my god, I have not used it so much also, but I think this is my most favorite thing of this year. Sony camera. This is a very good vlogging camera. I have seen a lot of reviews, and I think this is the most best product for vloggers out there. The second product is the ring light I am using. It is from Digitech. Digitech, I think for like creators, budding creators, this ring light or their tripods are really good. Digitech does some really good tech related things that I have found out over the years. Earlier I used to, I didn't had much budget. So yeah, what I used to do is I used to just go to Crawford Market. वहाँ पे काफ़ी ऐसे stores हैं जो चर्च गेट में जो ऐसे ट्राईपॉड्स वगैरह देते, तो आई यूज टू टेक दैट चाइना वाला, एंड वो एक साल मुश्किल से निकलता था. फिर वो थोड़ा फ्लिम्जी, द नॉब्स यूज टू गेट यूज, बट देन आई got to invest in like good product. So this ring light which I'm using right now is amazing. So if you're a budding creator, I think Digitech is a good brand for you to buy tech related things like ring lights, tripods. That was my 2023 के 23 favorite products right for you guys. I hope this video helped you in some way or the other. आपको भी कोई favorite products मिल गए रहेंगे. Comment down below your favorite product. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Love yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.